Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create reminders in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook, and once you have your application opened, you need to go to Calendar and select the day that you want to have the reminder on. So today is 15th of January. So for example, let's click on the 18th and then click our new appointment. So then you want to make a title. For example, for me it's going to be hard reset. You can type here whatever you want, it's your reminder. So then what you want to do is select here the reminder option, and you can select the minutes, hours, days, or even years in the option. So you can say forever 1 hour, and you are going to have a reminder 1 hour before the option. And you can also select the sound, and you can browse it even in your files, which sound you want to get by the reminder. You can also select if the appointment is going to select all day. It's going to take the time for the whole day, or within hours or days, or you can select here everything. So the start time, for example, can be 9:30, and the end is going to be like 3 hours or something. You can also set the recurrence. So here you can select the recurrence pattern. So let's say, for example, we want to have it weekly, and we want to have it on Thursdays, Fridays, and maybe Mondays. And here you can select on which date it should end. So let's say we want to end it in 1 month. So let's go here, 15th of February, and then click OK. And now what you want to do is just click and close. And also you can in this section, not in this section, sorry, in this section you can select how much time before you want to get a reminder of it. I said it earlier. So then you just want to click save and close, and as you can see, I've just created the recurrence of an appointment, and also I'm going to have a reminder 1 hour before on every appointment, because I have just set it up before. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!